Hi everyone. Today I will guide you how to use stream mode inside Google AI Studio. First, open Google AI Studio in your browser. Sign in if the website asks you to do so. Once you are inside the main dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left side. In this menu, you will see different sections that help you explore the tools inside Google AI Studio. From this list, find the option called Playground. Click on it to enter the area where you can test and interact with models directly. Inside the playground, you will see several options at the top. Look for the option named Live. This is where stream mode is located. Click on Live and the page will change to show the live interaction panel. You will now see the model name displayed at the top of the panel. Click on the model name. Once you click it, the system will prepare the live session for you. Now you have different ways to interact with the model. You can talk using your microphone, you can turn on your webcam so the model can see you, and you can also share your screen so the model can watch what you are doing in real time. To share your screen, look for the button that says Share Screen. When you click it, you will see three choices. You can share a browser tab, a specific window, or your entire screen. Select the option that fits your task best. After you choose it, the sharing will begin, and the model will be able to follow your activity. Thanks for watching.